Hi everyone, I'm Manasawi. Today I'll introduce the meaning of prototype, landform and atrium. You'll know the meaning, defining and example of this word. Are you ready? Let's try to see it. Let's go.
Prototype. An original object or form which is a basis for other objects, forms, or for its models and generalizations. An early sample or model built to test a concept or process. An instance of a category or a concept that combines its most representative attributes. Prototype synonyms: Wikisaurus exemplar. Prototype. Prototype.
Greetings, boys and girls. I'm Mr. DeMeo, well, the cartoon version Mr. DeMeo, and today I'm going to teach you about landforms on the planet Earth. Now, the first one we're looking at right now is one you've probably all seen before. These things are called mountain ranges. Now, you've all heard of mountains before, and these are just a group of mountains. So, let's try to talk to this mountain over here. Hey, mountain, can you hear me?
Yes, Mr. DeMeo, I hear you just fine.
Now, Mountain, before I move on to someone else, can you tell me some interesting things about you?
Well, I have steep sides and pointy tops, but one thing not a lot of people know about me is that the older I get, the more rounded my tops get. Pretty cool, huh?
Wow, that is pretty cool. So how about we go ahead and meet my next friend? Hey guys, can you see me? Oh, I'm all the way down here. What do you say we zoom in a little bit? Much better. As you guys can probably tell, I am between two mountains. And this specific type of area is called a valley. And that's exactly what it is. It's a lowland between two mountain ranges. So let's go ahead and meet my next friend. Now this one's a little bit tricky. You see, it's very similar to a mountain, except it's flat on the top. It has steep sides, just like a mountain, but not the pointy tops. And this guy right here is called a plateau. Let's talk to this guy and see if he has any tips to help us remember him.
Okay, first of all, why are you standing on my head? Second of all, I have one tip to help you remember me, and it goes plateau, flatteau. Flatteau. Get it? Do you get it? Like flat?
Now this next one right here is pretty cool. You see, it's a body of land that is almost completely surrounded by water. And when I say surrounded, I mean it's almost all the way around it, but you see it's still connected to a mainland. That's what makes it different from this next guy, which is an island. Oh my gosh, it looks like I'm on a screensaver. You see, this thing right here is called an island. It's a body of land that is completely surrounded by water. And when I say completely surrounded, I mean it's on every single side. It does not connect to a mainland at all.
In architecture, atrium is a large open-air or skylight-covered space surrounded by a building. Atrium were a common feature in ancient Roman dwellings, providing light and ventilation to the interior. Modern atria, as developed in the late 19th and 20th centuries, are often several stories high and having a glazed roof or large windows, and often located immediately beyond the main entrance doors in the lobby. Atria are a popular design feature because they give their buildings a feeling of space and light. The atrium has become a key feature of many buildings in recent years.